All right, let's get to the fun stuff. Water backup and sump pump. Yeah, that's going to be your sewers. That's super fun. So, in the case there's damage caused by water backing up out of the sewers or drains, this is disgusting. And quite often, people have to have their carpet replaced and many other things. I don't really need to go into it. But this is a tiny little endorsement that can make a huge impact. Uh, so, I know that, here, let me I know that any sort of water backup, it is huge. Insurance company may deny the claim if this endorsement was not chosen. So for a couple of bucks, traditionally, you can add that right on. I think the last policy I wrote, it was like $17. It was not even a big deal, but it makes a huge impact. I live in Arizona and they are known for clay pipes. I don't know if they're actually clay, but it feels that way. So when tree roots grow into those pipes, it immediately causes damage. So it is super important. I love that endorsement.